Okay, folks, here's what's happening now. It's been a couple of hours since I painted this model brown. Several days ago, a week or so ago, I painted the socks white and did a video demonstrating the application of liquid frisket onto these hooves. So earlier today, I painted the horse brown and went back in and pushed in some black to turn them into a bay. And of course, you know, mane and tail and stuff like that, that'll be done later. So right now the video is going to cut away, and this will be essentially a reveal video of removing the frisket to reveal a plain white sock and hoof. Here's my dog, Ozzy. Hi, Ozzy. You doing okay, bud? Yeah, you're all excited to be down here. There's my goofy dog, Ozzy. Now, let's get this centered back up here. And the frisket just sort of rolls up into a rubbery ball. I like to start at the bottom and work my way up. I don't think there's, you know, a right way or a wrong way to do it, which way you do it, which direction. I've never noticed a benefit of doing it one way or the other. Like I said earlier, the entire point of this entire exercise is to create a white hoof that does not have, or a white sock, that does not have brush strokes in it. And occasionally you'll run into a situation where you do it this way and something goes wrong, minor. And you just simply deal with it and move on. So anyway, folks, this is the video. This is the end of the video for using frisket on white socks. The next video I produce on this model will be pushing dapples in here. Now, I've done a video on dapples a couple months ago using one technique. This will be using another technique. And both obviously involve airbrushes. But the video that I'm going to produce next on this particular model will show a style of dapples that are essentially small concentric circles or rings, and very soft and very smooth. But that'll be the next one. Then I'll do another video on, you know, just simply painting a mane and tail black and how I handle that and what colors I use, and it won't be black. Or it'll be predominantly black, but there'll be other colors involved. But this is how I produce a white sock and a white hoof. And then, you know, painting the hoof itself. I've done one video on that. I can do another. In fact, let's just do it right now. Let me get my correct my correct paints, and here we go. Now let's make sure that you can still see what I'm doing. Yeah, we're good. Now then, I'm going to be using one that I call Custom Hooves. Generic tan color. Some of that. This one is called Black Hooves. It's got medium, white, brown, and black in it in descending order. And I'll get some of that into my palette. And what we're going to do, let me get rid of this, clean that up. What we're going to do is we're going to load the brush with brown or tan. So it produces a broad stroke like that. Then in one corner, we're going to dip in to the dark color. And start producing a stroke that looks like that. So clean that up, dip into the tan, put one corner into brown or into the darker color. Start at the back. And I have found this to be just the best way to produce a natural looking hoof. I'm going to dip into some more dark color there. Now we're ready to go around to the back side of the hoof. Do the underside. Dip a corner back into the dark color and go into the sole and darken that sole up. And I'm just adding more streaks into it right now to give it a more natural appearance. And that is how I handle a hoof after I've used Frisket to mask off the socks. Very quick, very simple, very easy. Later on, I'll come in with an airbrush and darken it up at the bottom. Anyway, folks, let's get this turned up and turned around, and you're going to get seasick here real quick. Let's see if we can turn this around. No, we can't. I don't know how to do this. Anyway, okay. Now we'll turn it back here. Hi, it's still me. Anyway, hey, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. My name is Clint. I'm Mystic Valley Designs, and I airbrush custom model horses, and this has been video number like 18 or 19, something like that, on white socks and hooves. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Peace out. Take care. Ozzy, you doing okay? Good boy.